it may seem very helpful to you to have your home inspector give you an estimate for repairs that they have red flagged on a home inspection report. And I'm going to tell you why that is not the case. Your home inspector may be licensed and insured to do a general home inspection. They may even have specific training or even licensing in other trades. They may have some electrician training, plumbing, structural engineering, roofing. Some of our home inspectors have been roofers before, or have been plumbers, or even general contractors before. But here's where this goes wrong. Your general home inspection has a certain scope, and that scope is to identify red flags. It is not the end of your due diligence. It is the beginning. Your home inspection doesn't answer all of your questions. It tells you which questions to ask next. So your home inspector is going to see something that doesn't look right. They're going to flag it, and they're going to tell you to contact an electrician, a plumber, a structural engineer. They're going to tell you to call an HVAC company, call the termite company, and that is exactly what you should be doing. Your home inspector can't tell you how much it's going to cost to fix a problem, because they're not going to be fixing it for you. And when you end up calling that specialist, they may see that it's not an issue at all, or they may see that it is a much bigger problem than your home inspector has been able to identify. And then you're going to end up with a completely different outlook on what's going on with this house. So I'm here to tell you, please don't skip your due diligence. Those second, third, fourth steps are very important. They are time consuming. They may cost you a little bit of money. But like I saw recently, a home inspector had an estimate, and those estimates are done by AI. Those home inspectors are not even doing those estimates. They're allowing an AI, they're allowing a bot to do those estimates for them. But someone went into the process with one of those home inspectors using the AI estimate. The estimate ended up way lower and way less involved than the actual issue turned out to be. And that buyer didn't find out until after closing that it was going to be tens of thousands of dollars more than they expected. And they had relied on that estimate on their home inspection to make their decision. There's nothing they could do about it. It had been flagged. The seller wasn't hiding anything. They just absolutely did not know. And now they're stuck with tens of thousands of dollars worth of repair. And this particular repair can't even be ignored. It's deteriorating over time. So they've got to take care of it now. They relied on that home inspection estimate. And I just want to put that warning out there today that your home inspector can't estimate work that somebody else is going to do. Make sure that you're doing your due diligence well and thoroughly, because that's its job, to make sure that you are protected from as much of the unknown as possible.